Hey everyone, it's Richard Payne here from Moving to Nova Scotia. Want to give you some little tips because we've had a few clients that have come across this year, probably like 2 or 3 that have been immigrants and everything. And the surprising thing for those guys was that whole, buying the house. It's a new process as well as mortgages and everything else. And I wanted to give you something like a quick tip, and we've got a really perfect mortgage broker guide for this as well that we're going to put some links onto the website and everything so you can get those. But one of the things I've really found is that understanding of you're new to Canada, but at the same time, you're also coming across with 0 credit history. So you've really got to make sure that you're prepared for a potentially 35, 40, or even higher % down payment. So let's say, for instance, that we're buying a $300,000 home, because funny enough, that's the kind of home I'm stood outside right now. But when you look at a 30 or a 40% down payment for that, we're talking like $90,000 or $120,000. And the reason that the banks have done this is because you're turning up to Canada with absolutely no credit history whatsoever. So they treat you a little bit skeptically, and they want to make sure they've got a lot of protection in that house that they're going to give you a mortgage on. Now, yes, there's lots of rules around how you bring that money into Canada as well. You can't just turn up with a suitcase full of cash. That'll raise a lot of questions as well, especially at immigration on landing day. But it's really worth looking through this document that's attached to the bottom of this video, or there's a link or something on here anyway. We'll find a way to get it to you guys, or you can just email us hello@movingtonovascotia.ca, and it's number 2, not the word TO, and we'll get that across to you. But it's worth really looking at that and having some of those conversations on a Skype call or whatever it is with the mortgage broker that we use for newcomers to Canada, because he's brilliant at explaining exactly how this is going to work and what some of the rules and regulations are, and it's going to come at a little bit of a higher down payment. So just be prepared for that and know that that's coming. Now, if you got any questions, contact details below. You know how to get hold of us.